Welcome to this video on geometric optics. This problem set contains two quantitative problems with step-by-step solutions, covering two learning outcomes on index of refraction and speed of light in different mediums. Our first problem asks for the index of refraction of diamond, given the speed of light in diamond is 1.24 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The speed of light in a vacuum is 3.00 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. The key formula for the index of refraction is n equals c over v. Using the formula n equals c over v, we substitute the given values. N equals 3.00 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1.24 times 10 to the power of 8. The calculated index of refraction for diamond is approximately 2.42. Our next problem asks us to calculate the speed of light in water, given its index of refraction, n equals 1.333, and the speed of light in a vacuum, c equals 3.00 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second. We'll use the rearranged formula, v equals c over n. To find the speed of light in water, we substitute the known values into the rearranged formula. v equals 3.00 times 10 to the power of 8 divided by 1.333. The calculated speed of light in water is approximately 2.25 times 10 to the power of 8 meters per second.